I am a terrible YouTuber. I guess that would make me a terrible motovlogger. What's up, guys? I'm Code Gray. Welcome to the channel. So by the time this video comes out, it will have been 3 weeks since I posted a video. And I say this hopefully because it will have been 3 weeks as long as everything goes according to plan and I'm able to get this, you know, on the computer, edited, and out to you. So that makes me a terrible YouTuber. Why? Because I have not been prepared. Not only have I not been prepared, I have not been able to get out and record. Between the snow and the cold and the ice, Mother Nature just was not going to cooperate with me. But luckily, over the past few days, Mother Nature has been kind enough to give us a very small reprieve on the temperature. I was actually able to go out the other day for a small ride. It was only about 40 degrees, 39, 40 degrees, somewhere around there. So we didn't go too far. But today, it is almost 50. So that is basically a tropical heat wave here in Ohio. And it was so nice today. Even Mrs. KG, when she left for work this morning, she decided to ride her bike in the coldest temperature she's rode in so far, which is probably about 36, 37 degrees, because she knew it was going to be nice and warm for a ride home. And that is where I'm headed now, to go meet up with Mrs. KG, meet her at her work. We're going to go grab some dinner and enjoy what little daylight there'll be left. That's where we're headed now. Nice sky. A bit cloudy, but still nice. Got some sun peeking through. It's nice to be on the bike. I don't care. I don't care what the sky looks like. Just happy to be on the motorcycle. So the question is, why, oh why, haven't I banked any videos or pre-recorded videos for the times that I know I won't be able to record? Because let's face it, I live in Ohio, and there's going to be plenty of times I'm not going to be able to record. Well, that question has multiple answers. One is my work schedule. Since I work the night shift and basically sleep during the day, the times that I actually record are fairly limited. Two, the weather, which ties into number one, because if it's raining or snowing or too cold or icy or whatever, I can't get out to record multiple videos. And that ties into my very first problem, my sleep schedule. If I am sleeping during those opportune times, I just don't really have the opportunity to go ahead and pre-record anything. And number three, technical issues. Oh, wonderful technical issues. A lot of times you'll go out and you'll have the perfect weather and the perfect opportunity and time to go out and record the greatest motovlog you've ever recorded, and well, guess what? File's corrupted, audio's not there, picture froze, something. And as a perfect example to that, this very subject I'm talking about now, I talked about that 2 days ago, because I already recorded this video once, well, 3 days ago now. And guess what? Had a corrupt file. Now, everything on that camera came out perfectly. Everything on this camera, I couldn't get off my GoPro. I had a corrupt file and it wouldn't let me access any of the clips. So yes, banking ahead or pre-recording can be very difficult sometimes. Which I should also say, for you guys that may not record in very cold weather, well, the cold really affects the GoPros. The colder it is, the actual less time you have to record, because the longer you're out and the colder your GoPro gets, the more it'll want to freeze up and have issues. So that's always a good time. I like this area. I don't know what it is. The straight road with the constant telephone poles and the barren land. I don't know what it is. This reminds me of something out west, I guess. I don't know. I like this area. Now, since I've talked about all this stuff, I actually have a question for you guys. But I won't ask yet, because we are actually getting close to Mrs. KG's work. And I'm going to stop recording here and we'll jump back into it, because y'all don't need to know where she works. Mind your business. Ooh, old train caboose. Yeah. Anyway, we're back. All right, I better get to this question because my battery is dwindling. So I don't want it to die before we get this out. So my question to you guys is, do you mind banked videos or pre-recorded videos? When you see a new video come out from your favorite motovlogger or whatever, and you turn it on, and we all know it's February, but everything's lush and green, does that take you guys out of the element? Does it bother you? Or do you care at all? Or do you go, oh, because like me, I just go, oh, old video, and then I just move right on. I don't really care. Well, that was my question for you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I do have to say that according to the weather report, we know how accurate that is, but as long as it's fairly accurate, we might be getting a bit of a weather reprieve here for the next few weeks. So I might be able to get some regularly scheduled videos, hopefully. Oh, the battery's getting so low, it is time to wrap this up. So if you enjoy this type of video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And if you're really feeling generous, give the video a share. All right, guys, time to go. I'm Code Gray. I'll catch you guys in the next one.